Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Here we are at Paradise Road in Acacia Ridge, and the road is flooded down there. You can see some of it down there. It does get flooded really easily there, and there is some flooding around in this part as well. Got a couple of trees down as well. Guys from Energex are down there checking out, seeing how bad it is. And on this side is a bit more flooding, as it does come along up here. And as you can see, it is covering the road up here. Trucks can get through here, but not cars. Cars is a little bit dicey. Oh, we got something happening up there. Steam coming up. So we'll go up a little bit further, have a check out. Usually this street is busy with trucks and cars. One of them roads for the industrial area here. There's a lot of trucks that come up through here. This side's trying to catch up with the other side. There's a little mini stream. Oh, and a whirlpool. Oh, wow. How neat is that? Well, it's cool but scary at the same time. And then you can see it's just rushing down here. You have the stuff coming out of the drains and the stuff on top. Normally you wouldn't be able to cross the road this easily. There's another little bit flooding there. The right hand side seems to have copped it worse. It's made its own little stream. And you see how quickly it just builds up. There's nowhere to go, it just has to go somewhere. Wow. First back over here, when we came up here, I saw the creek, how it was. So we had looked down the Grenard Road. It said it was supposed to have flooded too, but it's still open, so I don't know. Weird. I knew this would get flooded easily. You basically just got to spit in it and it floods. Ooh. All this is usually not this bad. You barely see the water from here. Give a thumbs up for this video, as it would help the channel out a lot. And now we get the winds back again, and it's trying to rain again. Hasn't really stopped. Wow. And you're seeing this firsthand. It's probably 9:30, nearly 10 o'clock now on Monday morning. You wouldn't think it was about 10 in the morning, would you? And we're still chopping winds, rain, and flooding. And then over this side, oh, it's coming in from two ways. Wow. You got the stuff coming down from up there into here, and you got stuff coming from here down in here, and then it's just coming straight out to along here. I wonder how bad it is up. There's a playground and a park just up there, the Warril Parkland. I wonder how bad it is up there, because it does get flooded out easily. It won't be long before this is over the road too. I tried to build it up with the rocks there. This is only going to be a short video, as at the moment we're not sure how many roads are flooded on the places that we can go to. Some nasty looking branches that came down here, all from these trees here. Another, well, it's the same sort of area, same tree. So they've tried it here. You won't get very far. Well, at least this one's not going too fast. It's still going fast, but wow. I knew he wouldn't get very far. And I know a lot of people will be tempted to swim in here, but don't. Not worth it. Oh, look, we've even got a little mini stream here that's flowing from up there. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this and different ones, from cemeteries to parks to playgrounds to events to hotels to restaurants to beaches to bushland, pretty much all different kinds of videos. So thank you for watching, and be safe and be kind, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.